Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Mark here, and I'm back to do a review and unboxing of a certain item. If you saw the title and photo, you already know what it is. So yeah, enough chit chat. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Like right now, and what am I going to open with? With this. Now let's open it. Alrighty, so what was in that box? A G-Shock, but if you see the name, holy cow, it is. D.N. Ricky. Oh yeah, look at that, folks. D.N. Ricky, Hypercolor. And it's known as the GA-111DR-7AJR. D.N. Ricky, folks. If anybody knows who they are, let me know in the comments. But I've heard about them, alright. So I never got any other pieces when they got out. The blacked out version with the colorization in here is in my possession. Holy cow. Before showing off, let's see the warranty. I think it's a warranty. But it's in Japanese. And, well, here it is. Oh, a little bit taped out, but here's the module number. 5146. Yeah, all these are in Japanese, so I'm going to have to take very extra careful with the menu. And here's the can. D.N. Ricky. I think it's a clothing brand. I don't even know what it is, but they're certainly not rap groups. I wish they were rap groups, but they're not. You're seeing that, folks? I'm turning these around to show you that they're based on D.N. Ricky in variation colors, including G-Shock. Nothing in the bottom, just on the side on the tin. Okay, pop the top. Thank you, Mr. Mike 835. You already know who you are. Here's Zawachim itself. Kind of like a confetti cake or a Lego-esque G-Shock. Like, wow. It's UTC. You got your alarm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Snooze and signal. Back to your alarm 1. How do you indicate the alarm? You press here. That'll tell you. My personal favorite. The timer. Look at that, folks. Okay. You see the little movement? You got your stopwatch, you press that. It does the split. Press it to continue. Press that. Wow, you saw the little indicator like right around there. Hold on, folks. This little indicator right there, it just did. Watch it carefully. I press that and goes back to 0. Magnificent, folks. Okay. Back to you got your timer, you got your world time, UTC. Okay, just okay, got your Tuesday. So yeah, very cool indeed. Backlight, you're gonna see that later in the video. Red and blue buttons. Blue in the adjust. Red on the mode. Forward on blue on forward. Reverse on the red button. Crazy color white. Silver buckle. Silver buckle. White texture, goodness. Texture on D.N. Ricky. Ooh, in the back. Let's see the back. Let's see. What's up? What's up? What's up? D.N. Ricky. That's them, folks. D and Ricky. I heard it from Mike 835. I heard it from G-Shock Go. And I heard it from some other G-Shock collectors about D and Ricky. Huh. Very cool dudes in the fashion industry. And this has been, of course, an icon. Well, let alone in the world of watch brands, they've been collaborating with other brands over the course of so many years. And excuse me, folks. So yeah, and I forgot to mention that today is not today. It's Wednesday. Holy cow! Look at this happen. What did I do? So all right, changed everything, and look at the graphics, folks. Where are you gonna see this? Okay, green on protection, gold on the lettering of G-Shock. But nothing special here, just here, 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 and here. That's all there is, folks. So I'll leave you some links, maybe the details of D and Ricky. But all in all, magnificent piece. Magnifico. So yeah, with all out of the way, what time is it? It's music time. Like right now, let's go. Let's go for the music. Alrighty, folks. So with all out of the way, we're going to be playing a song from 2011 to represent this watch. And if anybody doesn't know this music, it's called Party Rock Anthem by LMFAO. That's right, folks. With the hit song, Party Rock Anthem. Enjoy, folks. that was Party Rock Anthem by LMFAO. From their album, Sorry for the Party Rocking. That's their album, folks, released in 2011. So, folks, if you like content like this or other content, please click the button, the subscribe button to be notified about new uploads. Like the videos, always appreciate thumbs ups. Have any opinions related to the content? Comments down below. Plus, I'm in the YouTube community. I often post what time I often post what time I post a video at a certain time. You know, if I post it early, it means that the video would be in the afternoon hours or early as maybe 5 or 7. So keep an eye on that, folks. Plus, let's give a shout out to the thing of ours, TCF, to the physical media collectors, the watch collectors, toy collectors, autograph collectors, convention goers, tour guides. In fact, shouts to you all, and especially, sorry, folks, shouts to my subscribers. You know who you all are. Shouts to you all. So yeah, folks, keep an eye on that, folks. And that's all, folks. Anyways, y'all, this is Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Enjoy Wednesday, y'all, and later.